Jai Bole everyone. I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be the usual type that I do. You are going to ask a question in your mind and I'm going to answer you in a yes or no. And along with, I might just take out any card I feel like, be it a divine message, energy message, angel message. Let's just see where it goes. And as usual, I'm going to start shuffling on camera and I'm going to play some jap. For people who want to listen to it are welcome. People who don't want to listen to it because it's going to take a long time, you can probably just forward the video and see where the shuffling stops. Let's just begin with it. Four choices we have. Angel deck. Box is not open. Just a minute. let this be. So for today we have 4 choices. I'm going to stop the music. Alright. So guys, let's begin. For the people who are new, a very warm welcome. People who don't know how to select a reading, I'm going to be showing you choices of crystals. Whatever attracts you at the first instance or moment, that reading, that particular crystal reading is going to be for you. That is recommended for you. Just in case you want to take another choice, completely up to you. But try not to ask the same question with the second choice of crystal. Rest, the reading is going to be starting now any moment. Any other advices that I had to give, let me just think of. No, I think that's about it, and I'm going to be recording the same video in Hindi as well. Let's just begin. For today's choices we have 4. The first, the second, third and the fourth. These are your choices. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's begin with the first group of people who have chosen this pyramid. Please put across a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or a no, and we'll see the advice card as well. And your answer is a no. You've really been wanting this connection or this thing with a lot of heart, a lot of soul, but I think it was your something you only missed out on, that you're not going to get it. Still be very passionate about it, still give a lot of love to this, but you right now you need to sit back and think. Your suggestion card is stay persistent, stay focused. If you think you can still get this, probably karmic actions speak much louder than what we usually talk of. So whatever, in spite of the card saying you answer or giving you an answer no, your card is saying that you can still get through it if you stay persistent over it. Let's see what are your other messages. Your miracle message has come: by spreading loving energy, attract more love. It is so simple, I don't think I need to explain this card to you. Your angel message is also very direct. The situation will improve. Like I just said, your karmic action speaks a lot about your result. So here it's clear that if you can still stay persistent about whatever you're wanting, you might just achieve it, but you need to stay focused on your goal. Divine message is divine passion. Be honest with yourself. What is your heart's true desire? Again, a very direct answer that has come. Be passionate, be persistent. If you really want something, and still, like I said, my answer in the tarot that is coming a no can still turn into a yes if your energy, your persistence and your persistence and your karmic action is like, no, I really want to get this through. So keep trying again till you achieve it, is what this card basically means. Your time that is changing in life is come off gracefully aging. A lot of yellow and red that talks about your lower chakras, the sacral chakra and your root chakra. That means take care of what you eat, take care of your, the sacral chakra is sort of responsible for our willpower. So I've been talking about persistence from the first card, so this says it all, that you need to be persistent. But gracefully aging means try and be sorting this out with a calm mind. Don't be all over the place, or don't throw your attitude everywhere. If you still want to achieve something, you still want to go for something, try and be nice to yourself and to your surroundings and to people around you. Your energy that is going to cause you trouble right now is anxiety. Be careful of what is going to give you this. You need to stay out of this anxiety that is causing, that is being caused by you in the tarot saying your answer is a no. So don't let this happen to yourself. Try and stay more focused. I think this is somehow not full complete without the Ganesha message, and I forgot to take these out. I'm going to take out one last card from the Ganesha as a message, as a divine guidance for you. Let's just see and hope that everything comes out well. Surrender, number 2. See, I think it makes complete sense to what your cards are saying. Surrender to your situation. Surrender not to giving up, but surrender, because the number here is 2. Number 2 talks about moon. Moon talks about our heart, our desire, our mind. So you need to surrender to the situation, to what's happening. But yes, you can improve it by your karmic action, as I explained. So right now, just be calm about it and surrender to the situation if it does not happen your way. I think now it makes complete sense and it's completed. That's it for the first group of people. Let's begin with the second group of people who have chosen this pyramid. Please put a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or a no. Your answer is a yes. Don't be confused. It's going to happen. You worked really hard. I don't know why my cards are upside down. Guys, I don't read, reversals. So excuse me if I'm twisting and turning the cards around. So your answer is a yes, like I said. Don't be very shrewd to people. Don't be snappy. Just relax and be in your zone. Your suggestion card has come out that work with people around you. That's why probably the card has also come, don't be snappy. This is clear that you need to calm your horses down. Anyways, your answer is coming a yes, but don't start snapping at people if things are not happening your way. They'll happen eventually, but you need to be in a very positive, focused energy. Let's see what all your other cards are saying. I can find peace in every breath. That's why it was saying don't be snappy. This means try and meditate is the first option that you have. And meditation doesn't only mean that you need to sit and be quiet. No, you can listen to probably some very soothing music. Some people get meditative healing through eating right, that is salads. I'm just saying because it could be just about anything, something that soothes you down and is going to make you a little more calmer. This is what it means. Your angel message is a direct answer that says success. I don't think I need to explain this. Your divine message is sensitivity. You are becoming increasingly sensitive. Avoid harsh relationships, environment, situation, and chemicals. Now this talks about everything. If you see white Tara Ma is like, she's the ultimate, by the way. But then here it is saying white Tara, that means be at peace with yourself. I just spoke to you in the beginning of your tarot that don't be very snappy to people. Try and meditate a little. Here it's talking about be focused on avoid harsh relationships. You're being sensitive. People get snappy when they don't like anybody's attitude, or you get really sensitive, as in someone just says something in a casual tone and you're going to take it in a harsh way. You need to stop doing that to yourself. It's not good to you and it's not good to others as well, because you're creating a very toxic environment and for yourself. So here it's saying chemicals. Here it also means, like I just told you, sometimes you need to heal yourself through eating right. So chemicals could also in a way mean if you're smoking in excess, please try and avoid that. If you're drinking in excess, avoid that. If you're having any other kind of toxicants, avoid that for a while. Your life that is changing to, or your life pattern that needs your attention is parental care. Parental care is a very direct message here. There's a lot of yellow that talks about maybe your parents are going to go through some health issues. If it's not parents, it's probably your pets around you if you have your pets, or it could also mean your younger kids around you. And parental care could also mean not specifically parents, but people who are elder to you and need your help, probably in their health. What you need to avoid in your energy is attachment. This sort of goes with what the tarot card had explained, that you are getting a little sensitive, you're getting snappy. People get snappy when they get attached to something. So you need to let go. You need to be in a very free zone. Like I said, toxicants and toxic relationships, toxic thoughts is not going to help you right now. It's just not required in your life. Stop. In the end, I'm going to take out a Ganesha message, a divine guidance for you. Let's see what that says. Guidance. Now, it's one of my most beautiful numbers, that is 33. Now guidance talks about Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, that is like Trimurti. It talks about take guidance from the universe, because universe is all about Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, right? And here it is also saying try and meditate more to anyone you seek guidance through. 33 number is like a very divine number. 3 number is the number of Guru. Number 6, if you add up 33, becomes the number of Venus. That talks about luxury, happiness, enjoying what you've earned, and just staying in bliss. So in a way to enjoy that, you have to be a little spiritual, you have to be a little focused, and being spiritual means being kind to you and to people around you. I hope this makes sense. It's a very beautiful card. Good luck, group number 2. That's all for you. Let's start with the third group of people who have chosen this pyramid. Please put a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or a no. Your answer is a complete yes, a bang on yes. Don't be confused. Don't get tired. It's going to happen. If you're thinking of traveling, it's going to happen. Whatever it is that you thought of, it's going to happen. You've been resting and waiting, it's going to happen. Everything is going to happen your way. Don't be confused. And your suggestion card is now it's time to move ahead in your life, to go straight forward. So just sit back and now it's time to move. It's no more time to rest. It's a very beautiful answer though. Your answer is a yes, 100% yes. Let's see what your miracle message says. The qualities I dislike in others are disowned parts of my shadow. I think I've explained this earlier also. You have come a long way in your life where you have understood what is right and what is wrong. If you see certain similarities in others which you're not liking, probably you understand that, sometimes you sit and think, I also used to do that. Probably this person is going to realize it later. This means you've really grown. You have that wisdom. You're being wise. So those things, probably just look at others and see yourself in it, that I was also doing the same mistakes and I've come a long way. It's a nice message. Your angel message is within the next few months. I don't know what exactly it is saying for you, but this is a very direct answer. I don't think I have to explain it. Your divine message is purification. It is time for cleansing, detoxification of your body and mind. Again, a very simple divine message. Purification, it's body, mind and soul that you need to purify. Again, if you want to purify our soul, we need to be spiritual. We need to do meditation or any kind of techniques, yoga, exercise, walking, whatever it is. A healthy diet is going to purify our internal system, our body. That is very important. And also our mind. So you need to take care of everything that you're doing right now. Eating, drinking, your patterns of sleep, anything that is going to make you a little more fitter than yesterday is what you need to do. What are the changes that are going to probably come in your life right now is memories. Don't fall for the memories that you have. Look back at it in a very fond way. Probably right now is a time where you'll start reminiscing about the old times and how your body was, how your mind was, how you used to be so calm and now how you have become. I'm just giving an example, doesn't mean really it's talking about your anxiety or your depression issues. This is just an example for you to know that right now is the time where you're going to reminisce about how you were earlier than what you are now. The energy that you avoid in these days is envy. Now, again, envy also makes a lot of sense to what I just spoke a few seconds ago, as to reminiscing about the past. Also, now don't, at this point of time in your life, don't start comparing your life to other people's lives or thinking how things were with someone else and you all started at the same place. Simply don't compare. Don't come in this energy, because it's going to ruin a lot of it, because it talks about detoxifying your mind, body and soul. So your mind and your soul need to be detoxified, where you cannot have this energy act in you. Let's take a look at your Ganesha card, being the last divine message or guidance for you. Concentration. Beautiful. Number 9 is the number of Mars. Now, here Mars talks about having the will to do something, having the thought, putting your thoughts into action. Now is the time to get it done. Concentrate on what you want. Concentrate on the things that are important, not something that has been in the past, or because your memories card had said that you're going to keep reminiscing. Okay, fine, think about it, but don't let it ponder on your head all throughout the day. Just move on with it and concentrate on the future, on what you need to focus your energy on. That is it for the third group of people. Take care. Last group of people who have chosen this pyramid, please put a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or a no. And why are my cards all upside down today? Anyway, your answer is a no. Sorry, you were thinking of your luck being changing. Probably now it's the time, things are going to move on, but I see you still being in a good energy. But don't be frustrated, please. Don't keep thinking whether you've done the right thing or not. We'll just see what your suggestion card says. Stop worrying about why things have not happened your way. Stop thinking now it's not happening. Stop feeling burdened. Stop thinking that probably if you would have done that, something else would have happened. Everything is pre-written, everything is destined, yes, but how you react to a certain situation is your karmic action. So whatever has happened, deal with it in a very matured, wise way right now. Don't feel burdened about it. Let's see what your other cards are saying. Your miracle message says, I can release ancient pain by simply feeling it. I had just explained, don't feel burdened about it. Think about things that are happening. Think about why it didn't work and don't give it too much of thought. I always say, as a rule now, these things come with age, with experience. But if something is giving you a lot of pain in the mind and your soul and your body altogether, I think you should not give it too much of a thought. Not more than 5 seconds it should have a place in your mind, in your heart. Let it out. Don't think about it too much, and otherwise if you keep thinking about it, it'll become, at some point of time, it'll become toxic for you. So release it. By any means that is okay with you. Music, working out, walking, yoga, meditation, going to the temple. I know right now is not the time, but just go out probably and take a drive. Even driving is not feasible right now because of the traffic. Just go and enjoy the nature probably. Go out in your garden and sit and just hear the noise or the voice of the birds and nature. That's probably going to help you right now. Your angel message says, no need to worry. I just said it before even looking at the card, that you need to enjoy yourself right now. Be in the moment and just be in nature right now. There is nothing better than healing yourself with the help of nature. Really. Wow. It's so amazing. If someone is watching this video right now in this last group and is worried about their financial issues, Ma Lakshmi is here. Your divine message is bright future. Stop worrying. Everything is going to be fine. I don't think I need to explain it any further. I've been just repeating it all along. Your life change that needs to happen, or you can think of, is a career change or a new career. Now this doesn't mean obviously leaving everything that you know and you do. It could also simply mean that you need something new, something fresh, a new way of thought, a new way of life. So you could be in the same company that you're working, you could be there, but the way you approach it and the way you've been living and the way you've been thinking needs to change. If at all you are thinking of a new career, that's probably bang on what the card's saying too. Energy that you need to stop focusing on is money. That is why Ma Lakshmi was here. Your cards are so appropriate that you need to stop focusing on that. You've already given out whatever it is that the universe needs to listen from you, and it's going to come back to you. So don't worry about it. Let's take a last Ganesha message for you to stop, or to end the reading rather. from Ganesha, a divine guidance. Being attracted to this. Courage, my lovely people. One of the most amazing cards that a lot of people need. You need to stop worrying, and to be able to stop worrying, a person needs a lot of courage to ignore some or a few aspects of your life and to put your focus somewhere else. It's such an appropriate reading. I don't think I can explain it any further. I hope this reading was helpful to you guys. If you did like it, please hit the thumbs up button. It really does help and encourage me to make videos. Till next time, till next video, all of you take care. Jai Bhole.